In this video, we're going to learn how to change Threads profile picture. To change your profile picture on your Threads account, open up the Threads application first. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage after logging in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. This will now take you to your profile. Here, you'll be able to see your threads if you've posted any. Your username and then your name will be appearing at the top along with your profile picture. Tap on Edit Profile and then tap on your profile picture right next to your name. From here, you can go ahead and select a new profile picture, import a profile picture from Instagram, or simply remove the current picture. Tap on New Profile Picture option. It'll take you to your camera library. Tap on your profile picture you'd like to change to, and then adjust the picture and tap Next at the top right. Select a filter if you wish from the bottom to give your profile picture an enhanced look, and then tap on the arrow at the top right again. After you do that, you'll be able to see your profile picture has been changed. Tap Done at the top right in order to save the change. And that is how you can easily change Threads profile picture. Also, changing your profile picture on Threads will not change your profile picture on your Instagram account. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.